guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. You're like, why are you holding this big box, girl? What's in this big box? Y'all, I have an unboxing for you of a purse. I got me a luxury bag, y'all. Yes, so I have a luxury bag unboxing. It's actually with Teddy Blake. Like, my bag is lit. It's fierce. It is everything. Like, whoo, this gonna be my winter 2019 bag. So let's just go ahead and open it. I wanted y'all to see me open it. The information below for the bag if you guys want to check it out. If not, they have a lot of different bags on the site, so definitely I'll leave all their information below. But y'all, I'm super excited about this. That's why I wanted to unbox it with you all so y'all can see my bag. So let's get her open. Y'all see me open it. They do package it nicely. I got this bag in about 4 business days, so it doesn't take long at all. The box is so big. Everything is so packaged, so cute, as you guys can see, because y'all can see it all right there. Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags. They're made in Italy, and it's luxury leather, y'all. So they plays no games, none. It's huge, guys. Look, and then you open it up, and then there's your bag. Like, oh my goodness. It says Teddy Blake, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. It's so nicely wrapped. Like, and then after you do all that, but wait, there's more. There is more in here. Can I get it open? I'm over here so excited. My Christmas present, guys. Mama got me a present for Christmas. Oh my god, y'all, my bag is so cute. You see that blue popping through? So this is her. Yes, this is my designer bag. Oh, she is so beautiful. Oh, it has Teddy Blake, New York right on there. I love this type of bag, especially at the bottom where it's like they have these little things here, like you're sitting down luggage, like they have with the Celine. Oh my goodness. So it just sits down so pretty. Oh, okay, I'm just too psyched about my bag. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. Let me take this piece off. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. And this is just the inside of the bag here. Of course, they have it stuffed with paper, and they give you a nice bag. That way you can cover your bag up too. So you can just put your bag inside of here. There's a dust cover. That way you don't have to worry about it getting all dusty when you want to switch out to your spring bag. But this year I just wanted to do something different. I didn't want to get a black. I wanted something with some color, and I love this color on my skin tone. This color just looks great on my skin tone, so I had to get the royal blue. I'm gonna be in Bath and Body Works looking bougie. Like, can you see me? Can you see me? Yes, you can. But yeah, it's really, really cute. I love it. This bag, just so you guys know, so you have all the information, this is the Gan Adelia large. That's what bag this is. The Gan Adelia large. I love you, girl. She's really, really pretty. So I just wanted to unbox this with you guys, show you my new purse, because this is the one I'm going to be wearing for winter. I'm trying to get in the inside here, and this is just the inside of it. So that's just all the different compartments. Oh, it's even blue here on the inside, where, you know, you keep a little change and things, or your lip glosses and whatnot. So don't worry, what's in my bag video will be coming up. But I do love how they have this luggage part at the bottom, so my bag just sits there. I love it. And then your bag's not on the floor, because you know how your grandma always say, don't have your bag on the floor. No, grandma, it got feet. It don't touch the floor. Okay, so make sure you check out Teddy Blake. I'll leave all the information below. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for sending over this bag, because they sent it over to the channel, just so you guys know, for me to review and unbox for you guys. So I'm glad they sent it over, because it's absolutely beautiful. And guys, it even has an extending strap, so if you want to extend your bag and you don't want to hold it like this, like I want to hold mine like this because I want to feel bougie, you know what I mean? But let's say you got the kids and you're going out with the kids and you're trying to struggle with the 4-year-olds. Yeah, you need this strap because you need to get the strap, you know, and have it across you like a crossbody. So if that way you got to pick up a body, pick up one of them kids to get them back to the car, you ain't struggling like if you had it just like this. So yeah, this is my new bag. I'm in my bag. What? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.